हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आपको सब कुछ लर्न यूट्यूब चैनल पर। बच्चों, आज के इस वीडियो में आपके लिए वैल्यू ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट 1 to 70 टेबल लाया हूँ, जो कि आपके मैथ्स के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। तो आप वीडियो को बिना स्किप किए हुए पूरा देखें। The value of root 1 is 1. The value of root 2 is 1.414. The value of root 3 is 1.732. The value of root 4 is 2. The value of root 5 is 2.236. The value of root 6 is 2.449. The value of root 7 is 2.646. The value of root 8 is 2.828. The value of root 9 is 3. The value of root 10 is 3.162. The value of root 11 is 3.317. The value of root 12 is 3.464. The value of root 13 is 3.606. The value of root 14 is 3.742. The value of root 15 is 3.873. The value of root 16 is 4. The value of root 17 is 4.123. The value of root 18 is 4.243. The value of root 19 is 4.359. The value of root 20 is 4.472. The value of root 21 is 4.583. The value of root 22 is 4.690. The value of root 23 is 4.796. The value of root 24 is 4.899. The value of root 25 is 5. The value of root 26 is 5.099. The value of root 27 is 5.196. The value of root 28 is 5.292. The value of root 29 is 5.385. The value of root 30 is 5.477. The value of root 31 is 5.568. The value of root 32 is 5.657. The value of root 33 is 5.745. The value of root 34 is 5.831. The value of root 35 is 5.916. The value of root 36 is 6. The value of root 37 is 6.083. The value of root 38 is 6.164. The value of root 39 is 6.245. The value of root 40 is 6.325. The value of root 41 is 6.403. The value of root 42 is 6.481. The value of root 43 is 6.557. The value of root 44 is 6.633. The value of root 45 is 6.708. The value of root 46 is 6.782. The value of root 47 is 6.856. The value of root 48 is 6.928. The value of root 49 is 7. The value of root 50 is 7.071. The value of root 54 is 7.348. The value of root 55 is 7.416. The value of root 56 is 7.483. The value of root 57 is 7.550. The value of root 58 is 7.616. The value of root 59 is 7.681. The value of root 60 is 7.746. The value of root 51 is 7.141. The value of root 52 is 7.211. The value of root 53 is 7.280. The value of root 61 is 7.810. The value of root 62 is 7.874. The value of root 63 is 7.937. The value of root 64 is 8. The value of root 65 is 8.062. The value of root 66 is 8.124. The value of root 67 is 8.185. The value of root 68 is 8.246. The value of root 69 is 8.307. The value of root 70 is 8.367. हे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आप अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो नीचे रेड बटन है, उसको प्रेस कर दीजिए जिससे मेरे सारे न्यू वीडियो आपको सबसे पहले मिलेंगे। चलिए लव यू, बाय बाय, फिर मिलते हैं एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए इस वीडियो को बार बार देखते रहिए जिससे याद हो जाए।